Hello everyone, Ghoul here. Today I've got a Killbox Jade typing test on a KBD Fans wooden keyboard case. The links for all of the parts for this build will be in the description below. I've recently put this build together, this board together for my fiance as a Christmas gift, and so I figured why not do a typing test on it. But before we hop in, I want to do a quick channel update with you guys. I haven't posted in a while, about 2 months, but I've been doing a lot of upgrading behind the scenes, and I just wanted to give you an update on that. And just show you guys some of the preparation I've been doing for content coming in the near future. If you haven't noticed, my mic quality should be significantly better than in the past, in my past previous videos. I've recently picked up a Shure MV7 and as well as a mic arm for that to reduce some of the extra noise coming from my desk, especially when doing typing tests and things like that. This mic is about a $250 microphone as opposed to my previous mic, which was the Samson Meteor mic that was about a $60 microphone. So it should be a significant rise in quality in terms of audio. I've also recently purchased a couple of new boards, being the NK65 Entry Edition in the purple translucent color, and I've also pre-ordered the KBD Fans or the KBD 67 Lite in the smoky transparent colorway. I've also done a couple other builds recently, or will be doing a couple other builds recently for some friends. I helped my roommate put together his KBD 75 V2 from KBD Fans, and he's using Glorious Pandas and GMK Samurai from Drop. So that review should be exciting and coming here soon. And I should also be building 2 more boards for a couple of my friends, one being an Idobao ID80 with Glorious Pandas, the other being a Rama Kara with the rest of the details not really figured out yet. So there's a lot coming to this channel soon within the next couple of months or so. So reviews, typing tests, etc. But without further ado, let's hop into the Killbox Jade typing test.